Well, I received an anonymous call yesterday nga sa ko ni plans nga nung na mga ilang gawas nga mga issue nga madala sa Canada. So I actually told the parents nga never do any moves that will raise the case. Kaya otherwise if ilanda daw sa Canada during hearing dili sila ma-attend, so technically ma-revoke ang bail, issue warrant of arrest, pa-priso. So if ma-priso na diba? So because there's already flight risk.
Yeah. Okay, attorney, kanang doon na ba kasiguruhan nga dili siya mo like that?
Yeah, naikasiguraduhan. Okay, karang I talk to the parents personally. No, sir, ayaw never kanang ato ginusundo nung sang nasa balaod ba. No, kung say process ba. No, so but karon ang proseso for the rights of the accused, the parents or the accused decided to file for bail. So we're just waiting for arraignment.
So you are naghatag like assurance to face this in court?
In the faces in court because very unfortunate magod na natabo ba. So any loss of life is tragic. And ako siyang ipasabot nga if you have done this because this will be proved sa korte, siya bagyod or whatever, if say kuan mo you really have to face the consequence.